Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be making a facial mask. We're going to be using this mask sheet. It's the mask that we're going to put over our face. This mask is going to have to lighten and brighten the skin. This mask is going to have to clear hyperpigmentation. This mask contains lycopene. It also contains lactic acid, and these mixed together have to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It also have to get rid of blackheads and whitehead on the skin. The mask you can use on the face directly. You can just rub it on the face, or you can choose to deep treat the skin using this facial mask. We're using just a few ingredients in this recipe, and guess what guys, this is a recipe that most of you are going to have these ingredients. So if you're looking to lighten and brighten the skin using a quick and easy DIY mixture, then this video is for you. Now when it comes on to hyperpigmentation on the skin, we have launched our own skincare line, and we have a turmeric collection. Now a turmeric also helps to lighten and brighten the skin and clear hyperpigmentation. It is also good for acne prone skin. So if you're interested in some turmeric products, visit our website right here, ALESMAXii.com. We have turmeric cream, we have a turmeric serum, we have turmeric mask, which is a clay based mask. We also have turmeric moisturizer. We also have a turmeric facial oil, turmeric facial wash, just a variety of turmeric products that you can use to lighten and brighten the skin. And we also have a dark spot corrector. But if you cannot get your hands on our products, this is also a very good remedy to try to lighten and brighten the skin. So to make this facial mask, I'm gonna be using milk. You can choose to use soy milk, almond milk, or regular old milk like I am using today. Milk is rich in lactic acid. Lactic acid helps to exfoliate the skin, get rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Milk also contains moisturizing properties that will help to moisturize the skin. Therefore, if you have dry skin, milk is good to use on the skin. Milk also will help to get rid of or shrink those large pores because of the lactic acids that seep right into the pores and clean out those blackheads and those whiteheads. So using milk on the skin is good for most skin type. Now we are going to be mixing the milk with our second ingredient, and here I have tomato. Tomato contains lipocene. It's an acid also that helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It also contains skin brightening properties, and when mixed with the milk, it creates a very powerful skin brightening agent. This is an amazing remedy to use on the skin if you have blackheads, whitehead, if you have a rough, dull looking skin. This is the remedy for you. And if you're even looking to pick your skin up just to give it a boost, then this is for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the tomato, and I'm using a plum tomato. Use whatever type of tomato you have. We prefer the ripe tomato for this recipe. So I'm chopping the tomato in small pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to the blender. Now after adding the tomato to the blender, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for the milk, and I'm going to use about a quarter cup of milk, and I'm going to pour this in the blender along with the tomato. Remember, you can use milk, you can use soy milk, and you can even use some almond milk. It's just that only the milk have the lactic acid. And now we are going to blend, and we are going to blend well. Once this is done, we want the mask to be smooth, so we are going to strain, and you can choose to use a cheesecloth, or you can choose to use a strainer like the one that I am sharing here. We want to strain off all the rough particles that is left over from the tomato. So go ahead and strain. Mixing tomato and milk also is great, guys, to use on your hands, and you can also use this on your feet if you have rough, dry, cracked heels. This is also good for your neck. If you have darker neck than you'd like, you can choose to take a scrubber, add this to it, and exfoliate the neck. It's just a brightening agent. Now I'm going to add some coconut oil to this, and coconut oil is one of the best oil to use when you're looking to clear hyperpigmentation. Not only that, it's a humectant. It lock moisture in the skin and prevent water from escaping from the skin, so it keeps your skin fully hydrated and moisturized. I'm using a tablespoon of the coconut oil, and I'm adding this to the mixture. And now we're going to mix well, totally dissolving the coconut oil. You can also choose to add the coconut oil while blending. Therefore, after you strain, and then the mixture would be ready. Now, once this is done, let's pour this in our storage jar. Make sure to sterilize your storage jar. And now, guys, here comes the nice part. Now we're going to create our facial mask. So reach for a small bowl, and you're going to pour the liquid into that small bowl. Now you're going to use a mask sheet. I have a mask sheet right here. If you do not have a mask sheet, go ahead and make one out of hand towel or something like that. So we're going to totally soak the mask sheet in the mixture. And once this is done, we're going to take this out, and this is what we're going to use on our face. Continue watching for the live demonstration. So here we have the mask sheet, and you're just going to place it over your face like I'm showing here. You can find this mask sheet on Amazon, and you are going to make sure that it lay on your skin, avoid in your eye area. And this is going to take about a minute or so to apply on the skin. You're going to take your hands and you're going to just press it on the skin like I'm showing here. Just make sure it's just a stick on the skin, and once it's totally soaked, it's going to totally stick on your skin. And take a look at that. Now my face is completely covered with the mask sheet. So you just cover your entire face with it, and then you go back in, you take your hands and you press it on the skin, especially the areas where you tend to have the pigmentation going on. You press it on the skin like I'm showing here, and once this is done, you just leave that mask sheet on your skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then you just remove the mask sheet. And once you remove the mask sheet, you can go ahead and you can rinse your skin. However, for deep treatment and fast, effective result, what I suggest you do this at night, leave it on for 30 minutes, and when you remove the mask sheet, you allow your face to hair dry, you sleep with it, and rinse in the morning.